Everyone, welcome to my kitchen today. We are going to be preparing this beef and vegetable stir fry with this delicious and yummy turmeric yellow rice. So these are the things that we'll be needing for this preparation. Here is my beef. I'm sorry I can't tell you the quantity of this meat here, but feel free to use whatever quantity you want. And that is my broccoli. And here is one head of onions that I'll be using. I love this color of onions and it comes out crunchy, depends on how you prepare it, how you put it. And that is my basil leaf, that's my basil. And here is my spring onions. I love the flavor and the crunchy it gives in the food. And these are my remaining vegetables. That's my carrots, some green peppers, some chilies, ginger, some red peppers. So these are basically the veggies and the beef that I'll be using for this sauce. So first of all, we are going to start by cutting up our meat, the beef. So I'm not going in for little sizes. No, I'm going to go in for exactly these sizes. These are the sizes I'll be needing that I want for this, and I'm done with it. So here I'm just chopping up my spring onions. So these are the sizes that I really want because I want them coming out crunchy. Okay, so feel free to go with whatever sizes you want. Okay, so feel free, your sizes are your optional, they are optionals to you. And here I'm just chopping up my green peppers. You can see my sizes also. I just want them this size, I want them big. Okay, here is my red peppers here. So the sizes are just still the same. I'm just going to keep on chopping them this way because I want them visible bold inside the food. So here is my chili. You know, a lot of people really don't like to chop their chilies, you know, with their chopping board and knife with their bare hands, because I have seen a lot of people complain that it makes their fingers hot or it's so hot. But for me, it doesn't happen to me that way. I think I have been chopping chilies from right back when I was still little. So here is our ginger, and I'm going to really chop the ginger very little, just like the chili, because I love to cook with ginger and garlic, but I'm not using garlic here because I thought I had one, but I found out that I didn't have. So I'm just going to chop it very well. I love to use them, but I don't love to see them inside my food. So I use them for their health benefit and the flavor they give to food. Okay, but I don't like seeing them visible inside my food, inside my meal. And here I'm just going to chop also the carrots, and these are the sizes that I want it. So feel free to chop it whatever sizes you want to chop it. Okay. So here is my onions also. So this is basically, we are prepping for this vegetable stir fried. We're just getting everything ready so that whenever we're about to start the cooking, everything will just go quickly and fast. So for one reason or the other, I love these onions, especially this color. I love this color of onions, not only because it comes out crunchy because of the way I prepare it, but it also gives color. Okay, add more color to your meals. So I love it so much, and I'm just done chopping it. So first we are going to start with preparing, marinating our meat, and I just added in there some thyme and my salt, and I'll be adding in some little bit of nutmeg and I'll just mix it up that way. And that is my time. So I just added in some curry in there, for flavor also. So, and here is my soy sauce. Soy sauce, gives a very good taste to your beef. So I just added it in there, and I'm going to start by mixing it together, trying to make sure everything incorporates in there very well. Okay, here is my so I just added in some cream sauce, and this is like oyster sauce. Yeah, I love this sauce so much because it's added with it's added with lemon, and I just love that acidity inside it. Okay, I would have sprinkled, some lemon juice in there, but because that sauce contains some lemon juice in there, I love it. I really, really love it. So I added in some more soy sauce because I really want it to come out very well, and I love the taste of soy sauce inside my beef. I love it so much. So here I'm adding in some corn flour to mix it up very well. So I just put my pan on the fire, and I just added in about 2 spoons of olive oil. So we are just basically going to start by, stir frying this meat. We are going to fry it so that it comes out crunchy. Okay, very well fried. So that's exactly what we need. It's just going to fully fry here because I'm not going to cook it or fry it anymore. I'm just going to add it into the sauce once I'm ready to do that. So I'm just going to fry it here until it is well fried and brown. So while the meat is on the fire, I'm just going to start washing up my rice. I'm not going to parboil the rice. No, I don't parboil my rice anymore. I just wash it, but you need to wash it thoroughly, severally. You need to wash it severally. I wash my rice, I don't know, very well until the water comes out crystal clear without cloudy. Okay, so back then at home, I remember my mom then, we were always parboiling rice, and I just found out that since I started making my rice this way, it doesn't come out gummed together. Okay, you just need to wash it very well until the water comes out very clear, so your rice will be well prepared. So here our meat is fully fried, and I'm just taking them out of there. While I go back, you can see that my rice is fully washed. Look at the water is coming out crystal clear. That's how you know that your rice is very well washed, and you can just start preparing it right away. So while I'm done with those ones, I have a pot here with hot water. I'm just going to parboil my broccoli and my cabbage just for like about 2 minutes. Remember, I don't want it fully cooked. This is a stir fry, and I want it to come out very crunchy. Okay, so here it is. I'm just going to drain that out and set it outside while I go on with every other thing. I love broccolis. So here is my avocado So that's my avocado oil, and I'm just going to add it in here because we are getting ready to prepare the rice. That is my rice that I'm about to prepare. I'm just throwing it in there, just a little bit of my onions and some of the ginger that I chopped. So what I'm about to do here is that I'm about to toast my rice. Toasting your rice will really give it a very good flavor, a very good taste. Okay, it also could help it come out single. When you toast your rice, you will love the end result. I bet you. So feel free to give it a try. I always toast my rice, even when I'm preparing it jollof. I love to toast my rice. It gives it a very good taste. So I just added in there some turmeric powder because we want our rice to come out yellowish, So that's just it. I'm just mixing it up together, and I'll be adding the rice right away. And just mixing it together so that every part of it is covered with that color. Here it is. It is fully well covered. So I'm just going to cover it and leave it for some time so that it toasts. You can see that I have turned it before. This is my second time turning it, and I can really see that the rice is fully well toasted. So now I'm just going to add in some water. So you can see I basically added about 2.5 cups of water inside this pot. So it all depends on you, on your measurement, on how many your quantity of rice that you are preparing. So I always love to cook my rice on the heating level. That is why I always use the foil paper. So here we are about to start stir frying our veggies now. I just added in some olive oil in there, and with my ginger, just leaving it to fry well in there, okay, because I need the flavors to come out very well in there. And with my onions, I just need it to fry very well. You can see it has fried, at least it has marinated very well with the ginger. And here is my red pepper. I just incorporated it in there. I just keep on adding them little by little, okay. The veggies, I just keep putting them little by little, one at a time, and giving it a minute or two to fry. I just added in my chili pepper. Feel free to use whatever quantity of chili pepper you have. This pepper here is not so hot, but it is at least hot. So at least we can support it. So I added in there some salt, some seasoning powder in there. Just mixing it up together so that it goes around the pot very well. So these are the broccoli and the carrot that we parboiled earlier. It is time to put it in there. You can see I'm really not giving it a lot of time to fry or to cook because I want it crunchy. And voila, here is our turmeric rice. Can you see? Can you see how it is? This is how I love my rice. It is single and it is well toasted. You can still feel it that it's toasted. So the veggies have been in there for like some minutes, and now I'm just incorporating in my beef, and we are almost there. We are almost there. Okay. So I covered it and left it to, to cook a little, and now I'll be introducing my spring onions and my basil leaf. Those are the last things that I'll be adding in here because I want it all crunchy and the basil for more flavor inside the food. So here is basically it. We are done. The food is ready. It's just, about to be eating. So thank you so much guys for watching. Everything inside this meal is healthy. This is a healthy meal. Thank you so much. You can as well try it. Okay, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Share my video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.